Welcome back again to my channel. How are you doing today? Today we're gonna make some fantastic plantain porridge. Plantain porridge. It's the same thing as kind of close to like an oatmeal porridge. It's the same thing. We're gonna get started. Okay. All right. First of all, you need 1 cup of water. Keep boiling. Show it in the spot right here, and we're gonna set it on the stove to make it boil a little bit. Okay. Actually, we're just gonna put like one and a half cup. Use 1.5 cups of water. Okay, and I use the bottled water. Okay, and then second, you are going to need, I would say, you can use oatmeal milk. I use an oatmeal milk. We need 1 cups of, I'm going to use 1.5 cups of oatmeal milk, and we're going to set this on the stove. Let's go over to the stove. We're going to add this 1 cup of oatmeal milk, or if you have almond milk, add 1 cup. We're gonna do 1.5 cups of almond milk. Okay, 1.5 cups. Then here is the plantain. We're gonna cut the plantain. Cut it like that. You can use green plantain. Okay, green plantain is the best to use. This is kind of like getting close to kind of like ripe, kind of sorta, but that's okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna basically blend this plantain. Okay, we're not gonna grater it. Blend it. Okay, at the moment we're going to blend this together. We're going to use the Vitamix and blend it. Okay, the Vitamix. Cover it up. We don't want to chop it up too much. I think this is perfect. This is the consistency you're looking for. We're just going to basically boil it on the stove right now. So we're going to put this to not a high temperature, just medium, to boil in the minute. Okay, boil this in a minute. So at the moment we're going to add all the blended plantain. Just gonna basically mix it around. So basically, you still want to consistently mixing it. As you can see, it's getting very thick. Still mixing it, because basically it's raw. So basically, you're still cooking it. It's gonna get basically thick, the same consistent as the oatmeal, you know what I mean? Look at it. It's very nice and thick. Still consistently mixing it. So basically, I was basically boiling it, and I think I boiled out some of the water. So don't be afraid to take a little bit water inside of it. See, start bubbling. Just add a little bit water. So at the moment we're gonna add the nutmeg and cinnamon. Start it in. Half teaspoons of nutmeg, half teaspoons of cinnamon, vanilla, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Mix it in. And a little splash of vanilla paste, just to give it a flavor. But if you don't want to add vanilla, you don't have to. And once for all, we're just gonna add a 1/4 cup of sugar. You don't have to, you can add the sugar based upon your personal preference, okay? But I add a 1/4 cup of sugar. And just mix it in. There you have it. That's the finishing. Top it off with finishing stage right there. Just gonna top it off with cinnamon stick. I want to say thank you so much for watching this channel. Now we come to the final stage, plantain porridge. I just want to say, if you like this video and enjoy it, and always remember, you have to cook this up to 25 minutes. But if it's dried out, always remember to add a little bit more of milk, almond milk or water. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and have a wonderful day. And if you think this video was very helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to put out more video, because when you subscribe, YouTube gives me the opportunity to push my video up there. And thank you so much. All right, bye, peace.